Knots 360 is a comprehensive mobile application specifically designed for users interested in learning and mastering a wide variety of knot types. This app is particularly useful for those involved in sailing, fishing, climbing, and other outdoor activities, where knowing how to tie knots properly is essential for safety and functionality. One of its standout features is the unique 3D visualization that allows users to see the step-by-step process of tying each knot from multiple angles. This visual approach makes it easier for users to understand the mechanics of each knot and replicate them accurately. The application boasts user-friendly navigation and a clean interface, which enhances the overall experience by making it accessible to users of all skill levels. Additionally, it includes features like animations, detailed descriptions, and clear instructions that cater to both beginners and more experienced users. Furthermore, Knots 360 may offer functionalities such as a favorites list, search options, and instructional videos, which contribute to making it a comprehensive and valuable resource. These features ensure that users have quick access to the information they need when they are in the field. Overall, Knots 360 serves as an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone needing to learn or reference knot tying techniques effectively.